Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and we will be playing Broken Bones. So let's get started to the video. Well, it's not. Ow. Oh my gosh! Oh gosh! Oh gosh! Oh my goodness! Oh my. I'm getting ready now. Okay, I am back in. I got that so anyways, I'm gonna do it again. Okay, so now, let's develop it. Oh my gosh. Oh god. Oh god, oh god. Oh god, that hurt. Ow, that's uncomfortable. That's uncomfortable. I broke 69 bones. Isn't a lot. My record is in the short, you know, 35. Hi. Oh my god. Hear my oh my god. I think this was the end zone. I broke 95 times. Let's give it a go in another one. No, I can't. I really want to go to 6 down 5 right now. Now I'm in level 9. Okay. Oh gosh. That is very that. Oh gosh. I don't know. I'm inside the grass. That is so funny. Hello guys, bye bye. I will be making another video next time, and bye bye. Hopefully you have a great day. Don't forget to click that bell and subscribe to get yeah, like this video, and give it a thumbs up, and bye bye. See you next time.